Hey everybody, I'm Dan Olson. This is Hog Wild Barbecue. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. What I'm going to make today, or show you how to make, is seasoned avocado fries. They're delicious. I have these about 3 to 4 times a week. Perfect if you're doing a keto diet. So what we've got so far is I took one avocado, I've sliced it up, I'm dredging it in some almond flour. In the almond flour, I also have salt and pepper. And I have 1 egg white that I have sitting in the KitchenAid. We're gonna whip that up until it forms stiff peaks, nothing more than an egg white. And then we're gonna batter it. We're gonna fry it in some avocado oil. And then we're gonna, pièce de résistance is our Sweet Smoky Joe honey chipotle spice rub. It's gonna make it taste out of this world. Stick around. We have our egg white in our little bowl here. We're just gonna whip this up as quick as we can. So we got it to where the egg whites are just forming a stiff peak. See that? Now we're going to put the avocados that we have dredged in the flour into the egg white batter. It's gonna make kind of like a tempura covering. Watch what's about to happen. So we took the avocado, we put it into our egg whites. Really simple. Just put it in, spread the egg whites around a little bit. Got a pan heated up. I'm using avocado oil today. Seemed to make sense since I'm doing seasoned avocado fries. I've also done this with olive oil. Works really well. Then we're just gonna take our pieces of avocado. We're gonna put them into the pan. Be careful not to let them touch each other, otherwise the egg white batter has a tendency to stick. As you'll notice, your fingers are gonna get a little bit messy. It's okay, you're just working at home. Let's let these cook up for, we're gonna go ahead and flip them in about a minute or so. This goes really fast. Let's go ahead and turn them over. Take a look. See that nice kind of a golden brown crust that's beginning to form on the outside. Not sure if you can see into my pan, but I will take them and put them out on the plate when I'm done. So what do you think? You pull them out, they have that nice golden, almost like tempura batter on them. We're just gonna hit them with our honey chipotle spice rub, Sweet Smoky Joe's. Really like this stuff. And it is low enough in carbs that it is okay to use. So the final thing that we have to do now, bite in and see what they taste like. I already know because I eat these several times a week, as I mentioned, but let me give you a show. There's a nice crunch that comes on the outside of an avocado, and the inside obviously is silky smooth, the way that an avocado tastes. The spice rub just adds that a little bit of heat, almost like seasoned fries if you like those, but I'm using my honey chipotle to get that specific flavor out of them. Guys, this is simple, this is keto, this is delicious. Please do give this a try at home. Until next time, I'm Dan Olson, this is Hog Wild Barbecue, and I'm wishing you a good day and good barbecue.